Hey guys, this is Jack Lau, and now we're spending 2 days and we're gonna visit 5 factories, all for pied items. And if you are selling the pied items or if you are looking for the pied products to sell, and this video is gonna help you a lot. So follow my video and let's check the first factory. We are here already. Let's check the showroom first and see what kind of pied items we have here. And this factory, they own a lot of items like for the pads. They have this, let's focus this area. So they have the nail clipper, and also for the brushes, they have this huge varieties. So behind me, they told me that they have 100 kinds of brushes, and all of them I think is what you needed. And this is really nice. And also, if you worry about maybe you have questions like, Jack, what's the MOQ and whether can I customize the color, and also can I customize this paper insert? Of course you can. And 1,000 units. We have the wooden handle brushes. Example, this one is really good. And also you can see they have the reflection mark, and also it's good. And it's not heavy and it's really portable. And this is good, it's a new design as well. And for this one too, they have the lights here, and also they have the trash bag, and they have really strong, the leashes, and this is good too. Guys, so now we're in the second factory of this trip, and now let's guess what kind of products factory we are visiting now. So let's go to the sample room and check out. Important role is dust cleaner and also the pet grooming vacuum machine. So you can see a lot of models here. You can see example for the first generation, the dust cleaner. This is very simple, only have a handle and a button to clean and close. And now we are going into the second, third. Okay, so now we are into the final generation. We have really beautiful looks, and also we have the 3 spaces to to storage the dust. And also we're gonna have a screen here, so it's very super advanced models. And all of this can customize the color, logo, the package, and the function, everything. And MOQ can be discussable, I think, roughly about 500 to 1,000 units. We have the grooming vacuum machine. It's for pets. Hey guys, now it's about 6:46 p.m. at night. We arrived at the 3rd factory, so you can see what is in my hand. It's all the scissors. This is one of the scissors we have. So if you see 2 scissors in front of the video, can you see the difference? I can tell you, this price compared to this price, like 2 times difference. Hey guys, this is Jack Lau, and now in the morning, roughly about 9 a.m. in the morning, so we arrived at our 4th factory. Now we are in the factory, they are original supply. Why I see that? Because they are making the mold. Because after making the mold, they produce. Because some supplier, they buy the mold, then they go back to their factory and they're making the products. So now we're in the original mold supplier, and then they making molds, and also they produce the products. And also you can see all the background with me, they are making this kind of pad brushes, and some kind of dematting tools and everything, and the bus comb. And surprising that is, if you buy this kind of existing colors like what you see in the video, and there is no MOQ really. So, but if you want to customize the color and the packages, so that will be roughly about 1,000 pieces. Hey guys, so finally we arrived at the last factory, and now it's roughly about 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So after this factory, we're gonna go back to the office. So in this factory, I'm gonna show you a lot of slicker brushes, and this is for a pet brush. I think it's really high quality. And from a video, you can see a lot of varieties, right? From this kind of small slicker brush. This is curved shape, and also they have some kind of the flat one, the slicker brush as well, and a steel comb, and also this kind of gold pin or steel pin brushes, and many different kind of styles. And also the interesting thing that you can customize the color, and also the logo, and also the handle size and everything. So the MOQ roughly about 500 to 1,000 pieces. And this is the last video, last factory visit. So thanks for watching all the videos, and if you have any interesting items for the pet industry, and welcome to contact us, so we can give you the really quick feedback and also give you a whole supply chain solution. And this is Jack Lau from JACKHOO Sourcing, and we are your supply chain solution provider. And That's all. Thank you. Expecting the next video and waiting for inquiry.